second award for VP Choice Awards, and yung first time ko yata hindi ako nakapunta, but for the night, I really made it possible po to come here. To thank, of course, especially my supporters po for the vote that I have gotten po from the poll. Sila po yung nagpuyat and nag-effort to vote for me, and this award is for them. Would like to dedicate this award also to yung partner ko po sa Five Breakups and Romance, si Julia Montes, and of course to our writer-director, Direk Irene Villamor. And maraming salamat po for this award. And buhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thanks so much.
Alden, nasa si Catherine.